Understanding, replace the sprocket, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical phrase that might pop up in conversations about machinery, bicycles, or even in metaphorical senses. Replace the sprocket. This phrase isn't just about mechanical parts. It's a great example of how specific English terms can be used in various contexts. Stay with us as we break it down for you. The word replace means to take something out and put something else in its place. It's a common verb that we use in everyday English. You can replace almost anything, from a light bulb in your house to an old car tire. When we talk about replacing something, it usually means the original is no longer useful or effective, and we need a new one to take its role. A sprocket is a specific type of wheel with teeth, or cogs, that mesh with a chain or track. Sprockets are crucial in machines with moving parts, like bicycles, motorcycles, and even some types of industrial equipment. These teeth are designed to engage with the chain or track to transmit rotary motion between two shafts where gears are unsuitable. So, when someone mentions a sprocket, they're talking about a part that plays a key role in the movement of a machine. When we combine these terms, replace the sprocket involves removing an old or damaged sprocket and installing a new one. This phrase could be used literally, like in a bike repair shop, or metaphorically, to suggest making a necessary change in a process or system to keep things moving smoothly. Understanding phrases like replace the sprocket is important for several reasons. It can help you improve your technical English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in engineering or mechanics. Enhance your ability to follow instructions in DIY projects or when fixing something. Appreciate the flexibility of the English language in using specific terms in broader, more metaphorical contexts. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, replace the sprocket. English is a rich and diverse language, full of specific terms that can add precision and color to our conversations. Remember, learning these phrases can greatly improve your fluency and understanding of the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.